What's up, guys? So as you know, I've got a moto track on property, and the dozer's been broken. It's been broken for like 4 years. Through a rod through the block, it's been down. Haven't been able to get any kind of real equipment on the track. It's been in rough shape, 4-foot rain ruts. Well, anyway, I've been working on that project. We have the dozer back up and running, and I wanted to show you guys the moto track. I've got a little bit of it cleared. You can start to see what it looks like again. So I'll take you guys out there and show you that. But even cooler than that, I have a buddy who let me use his Can-Am Maverick X3 to show you guys the moto track. So this thing is pretty sweet, guys. So yeah, we'll ride out. I'll show you guys the track and my thoughts on a couple of the sections and how it's starting to look cleared. And yeah, then maybe we'll put in a couple laps on this X3. Alright guys, I'm going to take you on a lap of the track. Normally there's a nice turn right here. There's some rollers right here. Haven't started working on any of this yet. Big uphill jump. Started tilling some of this. This area was really rain rutted right here. Really been worked on it, got it cleared up. Lots of branches to trim. You're gonna see that everywhere. Come around this right-hander. There's a little like roller. And this was our first jump on the whole track, guys. None of these little pine trees were here. It was just a big section. This just a double. I think it's around 40 feet. It's got a nice smooth downhill landing. This is just a roller. Kind of keep your speed down going into this corner. A big step up. I'm got to put her in 4-wheel drive, guys, for the first time. Just a little wet this morning. So here's the landing of the step up. It's pretty sweet. You've got enough room. You get pretty good lift off that, so it's not that hard to hit. This is the first time I've ever had this thing in 4-wheel drive. So you come around here, and we built this jump before this tree was ever here. This is just like a step down. So I've got to trim all those branches. It's crazy how much, I think that's an oak tree, how much that could grow in 4 or 5 years. Here's the landing. This is a real high-speed downhill section. Keep in mind that all the trees you see, these were not here when we originally built this track. It was all just a hay field. Around through here, take this left. The only section that's still holding water is right here, so I've got to figure out a drain. Got a roller here into a double. And here we have another double. And then a pretty big step up right here. That's the landing for the step up. And none of this, obviously any of this last little bit I haven't even got to start working on yet. A lot of trimming to do. Massive, massive rain ruts, which is why we couldn't ride our bikes out here. I mean, they just swallow a front wheel. There's a big one right here. But yeah, you come down through here and there's a left-hand turn that you can't see right now, and there's a roller where those thorns are, so you can take an inside-outside line. Come up here, spin it back right. Actually can't get through there, it's so overgrown, so we're turning around. But the dozer will fix that pretty quick. So we would have came out right there, go down through here. Now there's a little, like a ski jump step down here. It's just kind of overgrown. And that shoots us back down this hill. Puts us back in the corner we started. So yeah guys, I know that's probably hard to envision, but I'm telling you, when it's all prepped up, it looks good and it's sick. So next couple weeks I'm gonna be working on this more. Look for a lot of videos out here. This will be where probably most of my videos origin. We'll do some cool stuff, pit bike tracks, pit bike jumps, RC track. We're gonna really shape this back up, so stay tuned to the channel. And if you guys haven't, man, hit that bell. Like, hit the bell and hit all. That way you don't miss anything, and that's gonna help me out a lot. So thanks. See you and I'm gonna go spin some laps on this thing, so look for those in another video. I'll see you in the next one.